Guys, please help me. I read a word yesterday. Mysterious. What does it even mean?
Mysterious means something not easily understood, like your handwriting.
Excuse me, my handwriting is beautiful, just in a different language.
No, mysterious is like when your teacher asks who made this noise and everyone stays silent. That silent is mysterious.
Oh, like my mom asking, where did all the biscuits go? And I stay quiet even I ate them.
Exactly,
Next word, awkward.
Awkward means embarrassing or uncomfortable.
like when you wave at someone and they don't wave back.
Oh, that happened to me yesterday. I waved at a girl. She turned out to be cleaning the window.
Now, my turn. What does generous mean?
Generous means giving more than needed.
Like when Salma gives homework excuses, she gives 100 excuses at once.
Hey, those excuses are my talent.
I also did not understand the word frustrated.
Frustrated means very irritated.
Like teachers during exam time.
Or like me when my brother eat my chocolate.
Or like me when my internet says reconnecting.
That's the real frustration.
Last word, dedicated.
Dedicated means focused and committed.
Yes, like being serious about something.
Then I am dedicated to sleeping.
And I am dedicated to eating.
And I am dedicated to saving biscuits from my mom.
Let's be dedicated to learning new vocabulary too.
But after we eat something. Assalam.